Welcome to my channel Living Linux. I saw the news that Bianbu OS 3.0 supports Zink. So Zink is a way to run OpenGL on top of Vulkan. Now, at first, it wasn't so easy for me to get things running. And yeah, you need to do some small tricks to get things working. So for instance, with vkQube, you have to specify WSI wayland. So yeah, first of all, you can get the Bianbu image from the SpacemiT website, and then you can go to images and then Bianbu image. So in this case version 3, and then you can have the regular desktop or the light desktop or minimal or server image. So yeah, for me, because well, let's get things going. So let's start with a new session or terminal session. So the first thing I did was see what the OpenGL information is, and then it reported soft pipe. And because we get this warning that the Vulkan device doesn't support the base Zink requirement fill mode non-solid, I was assuming that they activated Zink in the whole system. But apparently that's not really true. So let's go back to vkQube. So you can see that crashes. But if we add this and well, we can also run it with Mango Hut. So you can see that it runs with relatively low CPU usage, so that's an indication that it's running on the GPU. And yeah, to show that Zink can work, so let's just say we have GL mark to wayland. So yeah, like this, then I just get an error, and you can see from here that if you run it like this, that it does work. And this yeah, should be working with Zink. So let's stop this one. So yeah, OpenGL through Zink, that might be interesting for some people, but actually I'm more interested in Vulkan. So yeah, once we were able to see that Vulkan is working, so we ran vkQube, and then I also built vkQuake. So let's see. Let's see if we can do it like this. So it starts, and we have sound, and it's running at a decent frame rate. This looks very playable to me at the default settings. So, well, I guess you get the idea. So I'm really happy that we have another option to run Vulkan with the integrated GPU, the Imaginations Technologies GPU on RISC-V SBCs. Yeah, it all feels a little bit still rough on the edges with Bianbu 3.0, but I think this is a big step forward, and that people can try to get things, well, at least try to see if they can do their usual stuff, and let's see where we go from here. So I'm really happy with this release. I'm really happy we can do some more testing with Vulkan on RISC-V. This is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.